Welcome back to Automotive Solutions. Got a 2006 Hyundai Santa Fe CM chassis. It's got the 2.2 diesel and there is no cruise control. So you've got your buttons on the steering wheel here. Your on off and your resets and cancel. And when you press the on off button, nothing on the steering wheel. Sorry, nothing on the dashboard. The set light, which I think should be in there somewhere, doesn't light. Scanned the vehicle, no fault codes in any of the modules. Brake lights work, nothing obviously untoward. So my first port of call, I think I'm going to take the button pack out and see if any fluid or anything like that, or just grease, dirt's got in there behind the switches. I've seen buttons on wheels before and dashboards where people swear blind they haven't had a drink behind the wheel or some food and it's got in behind the buttons and affected them. So I'm going to go for that first. Take the airbag off, disconnect the battery and strip it down and see what I find. So I've got the buttons from the steering wheel out and stripped it down. There's a few clips just hold it together, and if you look carefully it looks like possibly a spillage. There's a bit of a gooey substance on the near those solder joints there. Just some guns running across the solder joints, so I'm going to try and clean that off and see if that changes my resistance measurements when I press the switches. I made a note of the measurements before, so hopefully I can see what they're like after and go from there. So this is the switch for the on off, and this is the next one down. When you press this, you've got a definite spring to it, whereas this one's pretty much not got a lot of spring. But check it with a meter and it does work. So the switch does work, not ideal, but the problem would appear to lie with the clock spring behind the steering wheel. Okay, buttons are back on, all cleaned up, airbag's back on. Just going to try it. Okay. There we go, got cruise light on, off. Just going to rotate the wheel, make sure it's not a clock spring issue. Aha. So turn the wheel, nothing. Turn the wheel back. That worked a second ago. No, it doesn't. Oh, we're back again. So it works there. Just rotate the wheel slightly. Doesn't work there. Oh, yeah, it's back on again. Rotate it a bit more. Not there. Put it back central. Don't work at all now. I think that's going to be a clock spring issue. I'm just going to test the clock spring. There's 3 wires that go through the clock spring that are connected to the cruise control switches, so I'll just do them one at a time. Got one connected now, front wire here, rear wire at the back, and we're on 40 ohms, and then we're on 200 ohms, so as you can see it's changing rapidly. Let's change another one. This one's 70 ohms. As you can see, it's jumping all over the place, 600 ohms. And then we'll do the last one, it's this single wire here. And then 0.6 of an ohm, which is pretty much the internal resistance of the meter, I should think. So that one's a good one. So 2 out of 3. Yeah, that one's still intact, as you can see, staying at 0.6 of an ohm. Just go for one of those again, just double check. Yeah, straight up to 90 ohms. That is a defective clock spring.